Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Derby Specialist. So I'm looking at a brand new Grand Design reflection, and just want to thank the customer for coming in. He's actually done quite a bit of work with us since he's owned it, and I wanted to go and take a look at the new suspension. So I have not yet crawled underneath here to look at it. This is the new Lippert suspension with the coil springs and the shocks. So I'm just going to walk around. The owner says that it's actually pretty nice. This is a 26 0 RD, and so I'm gonna go just swing around this other side so you guys can kind of get an idea of what this bad boy looks like. I like the new decals on it. You know, it's got more of like the checkered pattern there. This particular unit was in here for some other upgrades, and I don't remember if we did any bulletins or any recalls or anything on it yet, but it came in for some other items that we did to it. But let's go underneath here and see what's going on with the suspension system. So this is a single shock system, as you can see, and it's got built-in like transfer bars. I don't remember what their technical name is, but you can see they totally have a different leaf spring hanger, and they did go ahead and witness mark everything. So you basically have a bolt there, you have some kind of bushings and a bolt there. Obviously you're going to have your shock mounts, and those are all marked. Coming over here to this side, there's another setup over there. So I don't know how long those bushings are good for, and then here's the same thing with this side, you know. So there's a lot more bushings involved on this system. I guess we'll see when time comes. I'm not knocking on it. It's a coil spring system with shocks. So it doesn't really do the more or less the teeter-totter versions anymore. And both those bars, let me go to the back here, both those bars are connected to the axles. Let's see if I can catch the back side of it. Oops. But yeah, that's the gist of it. The coil spring with the shock. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. He says that it rides really comfortable and that he doesn't have any problems with it, that it actually keeps everything together, and he's owned other Grand Designs in the past, and this was one of their improvements. So, all right, well, everybody, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, Derby Specialist.